going. We're on the train at the moment, so hopefully you can hear me alright. We're on our way and we've got all of today there. I think we're staying overnight. It is a day trip, but we're packing it all in, but just staying to really soak it up. So yeah, I'm really excited to take you along and we're going to show you some of our favourite places and kind of make a little mini guide. I always really like to do before we go anywhere or we do like day trips or anything like that is to plot everything out on a map on Google, just so we can get an idea about areas we want to visit and the things to see and just kind of where things are populated with recommendations. So we've got a lot of things around here. Around Clifton we've got a lot of things. So my friend Lizzie lives here, so she said that you can walk pretty much everywhere, which is really great, and I think the weather's meant to be nice, so we're doing a bit of plotting now, a bit of scheming. Have arrived in Bristol and the sun is shining. So beautiful. What a cool station. I feel like Michael Portillo. What a cool station. To our lunch destination, which is a place called the Crafty Egg, which I've heard lots of good things about. We've been wandering around Bristol for a little bit, saw St Nick's Market, which is gorgeous, and yeah, we're going to go fill our bellies here. So we just had the loveliest lunch at the Crafty Egg. It was someone that a lot of people recommended, so absolutely delicious. I got a nice salmon bagel, and Joe, what did you get?
It's like a full English, I guess.
Crafty
and a
English.
lamb sausage.
A lamb sausage, very fancy. And Joe said it was amazing. He said the egg was very good, which you'd expect. But no, it was really great. Thank you to everyone that recommended that. We are now heading across town. I think there's Park Street, and then we've heard about Pinkmans Donuts, which we've heard many good things about. So we're going to do a bit of a donut investigation. So much amazing street art. Look at that van coordination. Joe said it's quite like Brighton around here as well. Just having a wander up this gorgeous street and all these really lovely shops. A lot of them are shut. I think on Mondays quite a few things are shut around here, but in a way it's probably a good thing. It's not too much window shopping. This shop is shut, but it looks so gorgeous inside. It is called Pirrip. If you're here on a Thursday, Friday or Saturday, definitely come by. Based on what I can see, it looks very sweet. Doing a bit of sightseeing whilst we found the sourdough donut, which I think we're going to tuck into in a little bit when we found somewhere to sit. Very excited for this. I'm going to walk up a bit more of an appetite first. In order to see as much of Bristol as possible, we've come to Clifton as well, so we're trying to tick off as many parts as we can in one day. How special are these houses? The views over there I can't see because I'm too short. I'm too short there. It's so funny because it's so like Bath, but it's like Brighton. It's like all my favourite places. So pretty. We have come to my favourite stationery shop, Papersmiths. Of Papersmiths. Cannot be trusted anywhere that sells stationery. Don't let me near. Very, very nice selection of things. Found the suspension bridge. So incredible. Taking 5 minutes. Joe and I found a bench, and this is the view. And the view behind us is the bridge. We've got our donut. It's kind of
knackered, puffed out.
Worth it though for this. how incredible this is. So high. Joe knows a bit of history as well about it. Can you tell us some history, Joe?
It was made by Kingdom Brunel. I think it's from Bristol. Yeah. It's the oldest suspension bridge in the world. It says up there, it started in 1836.
1836.
Completed in 1864.
Joe is very impressed.
This was completed before the end of the American Civil War.
You look confused.
That is mental. Yeah, there you go.
Joe's History Minute.
I just read a plaque, I didn't really.
You knew it before we came to the plaque. Give yourself some credit. We are walking to the harbour. Just as the sun is going down, we're going to meet my friend Lizzie for a quick coffee. Just before our day in Bristol ends.
Still got dinner though.
Still got dinner. Good evening, it's a little bit later now. As you can see, the sun has gone down. I've got a scarf on because it's chilly. We went out to meet Lizzie for a cup of tea, which was lovely, and now we're heading out for dinner. Last stop of the day, we're going to a place called Asado, which is a burger place, meant to be very good. Last stop, let's go. Dinner has arrived. So excited. Rosemary fries.
They look really, really good.
They taste good too. And after. Did you like that? It was so good. Very full now though. Stick a fork in me. Because Bristol. I'm done. Good morning, Bristol. We are quickly going to do our last stop before we leave. Currently walking back to the station, but so beautiful this morning. So we've just popped into Hart's Bakery, which is just under the arches by the station. So many people said it was amazing, and we had to pop in for some pastries just before we got the train, so that's what we've done. We've got breakfast for the train, some hot drinks, and juice, and we're about to get going. So let's go.